Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investors channel. My name is SENSEI Crypto, and today we're looking at NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. We're going to be looking at what levels can this stock reach during the earnings coming up this week. There's some major levels. Is this going to crash? We've just seen some bad news come out about NVIDIA. What levels can we be buying this? And if the earnings are good, what levels can we look to take profits? I'm going to be showing you all of that during this video. So let's have a quick look at the chart. We are currently on the weekly time frame. We can see that we did consolidate for a while. We did get our entry point of $101. We have hit all-time highs, and now we're retesting all-time highs. So let's go down to the daily time frame and look at it on the daily. Remember, we were talking about this downwards trend line. This downwards trend line, lower highs, wasn't looking good. We had to take out those lower highs to break out. And what happened is we broke the trend line, we got above the $130 level, which was really important. And then we managed to reach all-time highs of $150. What's happened on Friday? On Friday, we came back down. We've tested the previous all-time high, which is a very important thing to do if we want to continue heading up. If the earnings are very good, then we are looking at holding this all-time high. We are looking at a trade to take for this all-time high to take us all the way to $172. We've got the earnings in 3 days. We've got a possibility of this stock running up very, very quickly. If the earnings are very good, this can head up to 22% to $172. That would be my take profit zone on a specific trade like this. Again, nothing I say during the show is financial advice. This is just my own opinion on how I would be trading this. On the flip side, if we do have bad earnings, if we drop below this very important level of $140, this is a very important level. This is the previous all-time high. This is what we have to hold if you're bullish on the stock. If we break below it with a daily candle close below $140, then you're looking at this going much lower, and our first targeting in the case of bad earnings, and by bad earnings I also mean just subpar earnings, or by subpar earnings I mean just normal earnings. For example, with NVIDIA, everyone expects a lot out of its earnings. If it doesn't beat on earnings, that can be considered like bad earnings. The market might take that as bad earnings, so even that can make the stock go down. First target on the way down, if we break $140, we're looking at $130. That last key level that I was telling you about, how it's so important to get above. We were above it, and the next target would be coming back down to this level of support around $130. If it is quite a bad earnings, or if the news of the microchips is quite bad, I think Martyn was suggesting something about an overheating situation going on with NVIDIA, so please do watch his video. That will be at the end of the video. You need to have a look at Martyn's analysis on the fundamentals. I'm just looking at the technicals here. The next target could be $124 on the buy side. The next target after that is $117. And will we be able to get $100 NVIDIA again? That would be great, but it's not very likely anymore. But always have a bit of money on the side in case it does come lower than you expect. But yeah, that's my main targets. You just have to be ready for both sides of the trade. You can have your limit, if you're already holding NVIDIA, then you can have your limit order set up to sell at 172. Whether you're buying or selling, keep a good eye on the previous all-time highs at 140. If you stay above 140, you're bullish. You break below $140, you're bearish. And then if you're bearish, you're looking to buy the stock $130, $124, $116, and worst case scenario, you might be looking at $97. It's always great to have your limit orders set up for before these massive earnings. These earnings show a lot of volatility, and give you a massive opportunity. Volatility gives you opportunity to make money. So that's how I look at it, and that's all I need to tell you. I don't want to take up any more of your time. That's how we do it here. We don't want to waste your time. Tell you all the information as quick as I can. If you do appreciate that, please do hit the like button. There will be a couple videos for you to watch over here and over here. Please do check them out. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.